Hi, it's Pep from Hankotrade. In this video I'm going to show you how to create your own watch list and how to place market and pending orders, all inside the Hanko Mobile Trader. So to start off with, I'm going to show you how to create your own watch list. Now this is really useful if you want to start segmenting some of the instruments you trade. For example, if you only trade a handful of forex pairs, you can add those to your own custom watch list, and then you can start to basket other instruments like commodities, indices, etc. So all you need to do is click on markets on the bottom tab, then you tap on default, and then you select create new watch list. Here you can give your watch list a name, and then simply all you need to do is start adding the instruments into your custom watch list. So for example, I'm going to select forex, select add, and I'm going to add euro dollar and pound dollar, and this will automatically add these instruments to your custom watch list. So here you can see euro dollar and pound dollar in my forex pairs watch list. So this will make it super easy. As soon as you log in, you can quickly dive into your watch list and start trading your favorite instruments. So now I'm going to show you how to place market and pending orders. So a market order is when you're placing a trade at the current price level of the instrument you're trading. A buy stop order is an order placed above price and price keeps going up. A buy limit order is an order placed below price and price then goes up. A sell stop order is an order placed below price and price keeps going down. And a sell limit order is an order placed above price and price then goes down. So to place an order, again, you're going to click on the markets tab, and this will bring you to your watch lists. In this scenario, I'm going to place a trade on euro dollar. Now I'm looking to take a buy position, so I'm going to select buy. So I'm going to create a market order. Here we can see the price level. The quantity is the number of lots you're going to trade. In this scenario, I'm going to select one lot. I'm then going to click on advanced options. And this is where you can add in your stop loss price, your trailing stop loss, and your take profit price. Now I recommend you always have a stop loss in place whenever you place a trade. This is really going to help with your risk management. So to simply add in your stop loss, you click on the toggle here and then you enter your price. And likewise for take profit, again, you just simply turn the toggle on and select your take profit price. As soon as I'm happy with my order type, so in this case it's a market order, the price level, the quantity, in this case is a one lot size. I then have my stop loss price and my take profit price. All I then need to do is click on place order. So I've just had an error thrown up because my stop loss is not below the current price. I'm just going to amend that quickly. Let's adjust my take profit. And now I'm going to hit place order. And it's as simple as that. Now, if I go back to the markets tab, now I'm going to click on pound dollar. I'm going to click on sell. And if you're looking to place a sell stop order, you simply click on sell stop. I'm now going to select the price when I want this sell stop to be triggered. Again, I'm going to select the lot size. In this case, I'm going to do one lot. And again, if I click on advanced options, we have stop loss, trailing stop loss, and take profit. I'm going to hit place order. And now my pending order is live. So if I click on positions tab here, we can see the live trades running. And if I click on orders, we can see the pending orders here as well. So it's really that simple to place trades in the Hanko Mobile Trader. The whole process is extremely streamlined, from creating your own watch list to placing your first trade. I hope that's helped. If you have any questions, please let us know.